Well, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator, and I'm back with you for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And we've got one from iNoodle, the internet-ready instant noodle in a pouch that's kind of freshish from Taiwan, baby. This is soy sauce flavor flat noodle. And again, we are joined by our friend and true compatriot of the site and blog and show. Let's give it up for Stumpy from North Little Rock, Arkansas. What's going on, man?
Hello, I'm good. How are you doing?
Ah. Ah. That's how I'm doing.
Okay.
Ah. There's not really much of an answer, is it? But it'll have to suffice.
Yeah.
I'm doing all right. So you went shopping and you bought items at the store. What did you buy today?
I got a 43-ounce container of tomato basil pasta sauce.
Okay.
And then I got a 4-pack, 4 cans of Chef Boyardee beef ravioli that was on sale.
That's pretty good.
4 cans.
4 cans.
Then I got 2 pounds of spaghetti to go with the 43 ounces of sauce. And I bought some salami that was on sale, and I bought some honey ham, and I got a big bag of original string cheese by Frigo Cheeseheads. Got a big pack of 36 ounces worth of string cheese.
Put all that stuff in that spaghetti, yo. All of it. All of it. Seriously. Salami, ham, sauce, and our noodles are done. It's just that quick. Well, we gotta drain the noodle. Huh. Time to drain the noodle. What else did you buy?
A loaf of bread.
What style, sir?
Just white bread. Sandwiches.
Did it have like little bits?
No, it's just regular white bread.
Yeah. Freaking sensational. You know, yeah, what did I do? I went to the store yesterday and I got a flu shot and a COVID shot in my arm.
Yeah.
And then I went and I carried home a gallon of milk, 8 bananas, a slice of cake, and a pint of ice cream. Oh boy, oh boy. I was gonna have the cake with the ice cream, but that was too much. So I was gonna have like a little bit of the cake last night, and I didn't have any of the ice cream, and lo and behold, I'm out of cake, and I just have ice cream. And I'm sorry, but cake and ice cream is really the way to go. But honestly, I shouldn't be eating any of that crap. All the hard work, all the walking, it seems to be like the bad is happening. It's tough though. You know. We'll see. We'll figure it out, but maybe I'll finish off that ice cream and call it good. I need to get back on that wagon. Ding, ding, ding.
Yeah.
It's hard. It's hard. Got playoffs. Baseball. Here is this flat noodle with some goo and some slightly hydrated vegetables. Cheers. Wow, that's salty, but it's good. It was way too salty. Oh my god. But it's good.
Salty is good.
Yeah, I mean, it's too salty, but the underlying flavor, once you get past all that salt, is pretty good. The noodles are nice and big and thick. Yeah. And it's from the Holy Land of Taiwan. So let's make it so. Let's do her up. I think this is going to be one of those episodes where some jerkwad gets on and goes, dude, are you high? Are you like just housed the entire time you do an episode? Like, no, dude. I was thinking it might be kind of fun to have a few beers and do an episode, but honestly, that's my leisure. I like having leisure time. You know, leisure.
Yeah.
And I don't like to mix my leisure with what I consider to be God's work here, so. Those who don't get it probably never will, and that's okay. There's some chickens and some sesame seeds. And then we'll throw in some spring onion. But we got to figure out what we're going to talk about in the next episode because we got one more. What should we?
Okay.
What should we help people to understand?
Help people to understand.
We need to health them. There we go. I'll use this one. Little shichimi right on top there. That looks nice. Flavorful and acceptable by plenty of people. I guess we could talk about Arkansas and what happens in Arkansas. I'm sure a good cross-section of my audience knows nothing about Arkansas.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa, weird. All right, here goes Rotato. One moment. Thanks for watching. On tomorrow's episode, we will be joined by Stumpy yet again, we hope. And this is Ace Cook, I Love Baby Star Piricara Chicken Flavor from ZenPop.jp that came in one of their boxes. Head on over to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider, get yourself a snazzy discount. All right, from everybody here at The Ramen Raider, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye-bye.